Today's lesson in reading is going to be on types of sentences. There's actually 4 types of sentences we're going to talk about today. The first is a declarative or statement sentence. What that means is that you're telling someone something. Let's see a couple examples. So, I have 2 dogs would be a declarative sentence because you're just telling someone that you have 2 dogs. Or the grass is green is another type of declarative sentence. You're just telling someone the grass is green. An imperative sentence or a command sentence is telling someone to do something. So, for example, go to your room. That's a command. You're telling them, go to your room. Kind of like this lady is in the picture. But you don't always have to say commands in a mean voice. For example, please be quiet in the hallway is a polite way to give a command. So I just don't want you to be confused and think that command's always yelling at someone, because it's not. It's just telling someone what to do, whether you're saying it in a nice way or not. Then there's the exclamatory or an excited sentence. That shows that you're really excited or angry. So like, I won $100. You're probably not just going to say, I won $100. Now you're excited, and that exclamation mark at the end shows that you're excited. Or if you say, I can't believe my car crashed. You wouldn't just say, I can't believe my car crashed. Now you're probably going to be angry that it crashed. And once again, we have the exclamation mark to show that you're saying it with anger and with some enthusiasm. Then there's the interrogative or question sentence. And that's if you're wondering something. So, for example, how many cookies do you have? You're asking how many cookies they have, and of course we end that in a question mark. All questions end in question marks. Or, what time is recess at? It's a question ending in a question mark. Okay, so now you're going to determine what type of sentence each sentence is. So this first one, clean the house. Remember, the choice is a declarative sentence or statement. Right, when you're just saying something. Is it imperative or a command where you're telling someone to do something? Is it exclamatory, like you're really excited or angry? Or is it interrogative? Are you asking a question? Are you wondering about something? And if you are able to get your Show Me app, why don't you go get that and write down your answer. You can always pause this video if you need to, if you're still getting it, or if you're not ready and I'm telling you what the answer is. Okay, so clean the house. You're telling them to clean the house. You're telling them what to do. That makes it a command, right? So that makes it a command or imperative sentence. We won our soccer game. What kind of sentence is that? Is it declarative? Are you just telling them you won your soccer game? Is it imperative? Are you telling them to do something? Is it exclamatory? Are you saying it in a really excited or angry way? Or is it interrogative? Are you asking them a question? Okay, well, this one, of course, was exclamatory. They're very excited. They won their soccer game, and the question mark at the end shows that, the exclamation mark, not the question mark, the exclamation mark at the end shows that they're excited that they won their soccer game. Name what type of sentence this one is. The cow is mooing. Is it declarative? Are you just telling them something? Is it imperative? Are you telling them to do something? Is it exclamatory? Are you saying it in a really excited or angry way? Or is it a question? Well, the cow is mooing. It's definitely not a question. It doesn't end in a question mark. Not exclamatory. You're not really excited. It doesn't end in a exclamation mark. It's not imperative, right? The cow is mooing. That's not telling someone to do something. So that must mean it's declarative. You're just saying something. You're telling someone something. What are you telling them? Well, you're just telling them the cow is mooing. So the correct answer was it was just a statement, a declarative sentence. Then finally, what's 3 plus 4? So what kind of sentence is that? What's 3 plus 4? Okay, well hopefully you notice the question mark at the end. And you're wondering, hey, what's 3 plus 4? That means it's an interrogative sentence. You're wondering about something, ends in a question mark.